Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Listen, I've got a few minutes, and I wanted to pop on quickly to share with you these quick fine liners that I found at Dollar General. Now, if you're a planner girl, or if if you're a card maker, or even for you scrapbookers and junk journalers, I wanted to share these fine liners with you because it's kind of difficult to, well, I feel guilty when I splurge and buy, the good quality stuff for things that my family doesn't need. That's just me. That may not be you. I know. But nevertheless, I found these at the Dollar General for, I don't know if it was $1. I believe it was $1. If it wasn't $1, it was $2. But the reason why I wanted to share this with you is because it's a 0.4 millimeter tip. So, for you hand letterers and, those of you who are, skilled at writing and you need the fine tip, or just for doodling, these are perfect because they don't bleed through. And that is perfect for the planners because sometimes we do like to do a little doodling. We like to pretty it up and cute it up, but we don't want it flipping over to the next page or the previous page, or the next page I should say, because we got to use that page next week or next month. So nevertheless, I wanted to show you really briefly what I mean when I say it doesn't bleed through. So I'm going to zoom in for a quick moment, and trust me, we're not going to be here longer than 4 minutes. All right, so let's just take let's do birthdays. Next month is my birthday, and it'll be Fam's birthday. Okay, and that'll be August, what, folks? August the 23rd. And what does that make me? A wonderful Virgo. Okay, I don't believe in zodiac signs, but if I did, I'd be a Virgo. Now let me also show you the tip. See how fine that tip is? Look how tiny that tip is. Did y'all also notice that I painted my nails? I know it's not much to look at, and my son doesn't like the color. I don't care. It's better than y'all having to see like the red from ink, Anyways, I just wanted to let y'all know I do try from time to time. Anyway, so that is the turquoise. This is the blue, or purple. And it writes very smoothly right out of the package. Let me move this in some. There we go. And let's see, here's the pink. All right. And then here's the green. And then when I'm done, I'm going to flip this over so you guys can see the opposite side. It's a very smooth fine liner 0.4 millimeter pen. Oh, that black is nice too. Now I'm saying that black is nice because it's a very nice dark black. So those of you my fellow pen enthusiasts, I hate that Dollar General, they come out with these wonderful products and then they limit the quality, or they limit the color selection. But, for $1, you really can't beat this. 5 pretty pens in your planner. Let me flip this over. Oh, I can't even show y'all the other side of that because my business is on there, y'all. Let me try another area. My business, like my personal business. Oh, gosh. Well, you know what? I'll try on this side. So let me just go ahead and ink over here, green. And I'm sure I'll find a way to incorporate that into this page. And let me flip it. And by the way, no smearing. Okay? Nothing. See? If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.